With the spring-like temperatures, you probably turned off your heating system, but winter is not over yet, and those systems can generate carbon monoxide.
They sure can. Tonight, consumer investigator Steve Spraish is getting answers about where carbon monoxide detectors are required and what you need to know about them.
Well, guys, here in this state, North Carolina requires carbon monoxide detectors in all lodging facilities like hotels and B&Bs, as well as in rental units. Also, they're required in all homes built after 2011.
The detectors come in various configurations, some combined with fire alarms and some battery operated, and they all do the same thing.
Emergency. There's carbon monoxide in the living room. Move to fresh air.
But you have to trust the alert. When Lisa Luton got her warning from her detector, she thought it was a mistake.
I reset the detector and then continued to pack. 15 minutes later, it gave me another alert. Heads up, there's carbon monoxide in the air. I reset it again.
Turns out her home's heating system malfunctioned and was pumping dangerous carbon monoxide into her home. Fortunately, the alerts kept escalating.
Move to fresh air.
By the time I checked it on the fourth time, the app was alerting me that there were very dangerous levels and that we needed to leave immediately.
She took her dogs outside while the house aired out.
I've done a lot of research since then, and I know how dangerous carbon monoxide is now.
According to the CDC, between 20 and 30,000 people are sickened, and about 500 people die every year in the United States from carbon monoxide poisoning. Luton installed her detector during a recent home renovation. It is hardwired to her home's electric power supply. But Nest also makes a battery-operated unit that it claims will work for a decade, and that's a long time to trust a battery.
How do you test it as a consumer to make sure that it's still functioning properly?
It tests itself automatically up to 400 times a day. Every night before you go to sleep, it's going to give you a little green glow when you turn off the lights, so it's going to let you know that everything's going okay. And you can also manually check your Nest Protect anytime you want through the Nest app.
State law requires carbon monoxide detectors in hotels and public lodging, as well as in rental units, all to be inspected annually by local fire departments.
So I wanted to know, what do you do? Who do you complain to if there's not one in your rental unit? I checked with the state fire marshal. Here's what he told me. He said, first, complain to your landlord. And then if your landlord fails to act, complain to the fire marshal at your local fire department. Getting answers for you, I'm consumer investigator Steve Spraish.